If you have just started thinking about decorating your house interior and first on the list is your living room or bedroom, you might be overwhelmed with putting all the pieces together to make a harmonious and appealing whole. You have to consider paint colors for the walls, what kind of furniture you already have and what you need, and how to arrange and accessorize it. But the first thing to figure out about yourself is what your decorating style is. Looking at the photos of home interior decor ideas helps you do that. Knowing this gives you signals along the decor road to help guide your decisions on furniture, paint colors, window coverings, floor covering, and accessories. Watch this video till the end and learn how to get started with your decor style in mind. There are different ways to decorate your home interior walls. A common problem people have is not knowing how to arrange their living room or bedroom or dining area furniture. More often than not, people push a sofa against one wall, a couple of chairs against another, and that's it. But arranging furniture is not something that requires a little more planning. There are important considerations like choosing a focal point, creating conversation areas, and considering traffic flow. Empty walls are a sign of an incomplete room. This does not mean you need to fill every inch, but decorating the walls with art is important. It's important, but it does not need to be expensive to create an enticing and cohesive look. What one person considers art might be drastically different from what someone else thinks. The best thing to do is to follow your instincts when it comes to what you like and what will go in your room. Get informed on the basic rules of what to hang and how to arrange it, and then let your heart to be your guide. Lighting is a somewhat complex element of any room. In living rooms, it's less so than in more utilitarian rooms like kitchens, but there are still some important considerations that should not be ignored. Most importantly, you should include each of the three types of lighting: ambient, task, and ascent. Light sources should be placed at different levels throughout the room. Consider resist lighting or table and floor lamps. Choosing just the right paint color is something a lot of people struggle with. And if there's one thing that most people do wrong, it's choosing the paint color first. Painting is relatively easy and it's inexpensive. So choose your more expensive pieces first and then choose a color based on them. No matter what part of the room you are working on, be it the rugs, window treatments, or furniture arrangements, make sure you know their ideal measurements and the size of the space where you want to place furniture pieces. No one has it all memorized and nothing is set in stone. But it's a good idea to have a handy guide so you can consult it when necessary. Rules offer good guidance, but ultimately you need to do what works best for you in your space and is the most pleasing to your eye. That's what counts the most.